Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, I am solving problem 3-38E from the book Thermodynamics and Engineering Approach by CENGEL 5th edition. So the statement is the temperature in a pressure cooker during cooking at sea level is measured to be 250 degree Fahrenheit. Determine the absolute pressure inside the cooker in psia and in atm atmosphere. Would you modify your answer if the place were at a higher elevation? So in the problem given data is temperature in pressure cooker is given to us as 250 degree Fahrenheit. This is saturation temperature. Because pressure cooker means this is the boiling point. This is the boiling point of water. So it means that this is saturation temperature. And if we check PV diagram or TV diagram, temperature, for example, in degree Fahrenheit, volume in cubic feet per pound mass or cubic meter per kg. So TV diagram is something like this. So 250 degree Fahrenheit means that this here temperature is from this region temperature is constant. This is saturation temperature. From this point to this point saturation temperature is a 250 degree Fahrenheit. So determine the absolute pressure inside the cooker in psia and in atm. So required is find pressure in psia. psi mean pound per square inch and a mean absolute. Similarly, find pressure in atm. First find pressure in psia from the table, and secondly convert that pressure to atm. So in solution, as we know that this is saturation temperature, for that we check steam table, saturated steam table. We can find the pressure with the help of saturated steam table. And saturated steam table for BT units. BT units mean PSIA and degree Fahrenheit etc is available with us. If I can share with you if you needed it. So go to saturated steam table. From saturated steam table at temperature is equal to 250 degree Fahrenheit. Saturation pressure is equal to 29.843 psia. If you check saturated steam table, it is something like this. This is temperature in degree Fahrenheit, and here pressure in psia. So go to temperature 250 and check pressure in front of 250. So here in ASME table, which is available with me, I can share with you if you needed it. So check in front of 250 this pressure. So this pressure will be 29.843 psia. So this is the first answer. Now convert this pressure psia into atmospheric pressure. So as we know that 1 atm is equal to 14.7 psia. So it means that 1 psia is equal to 1 divided by 14.7 atm. atm is bigger unit as compared to psia. As we know that 1 atm equal to 14.7 psia, it means that 1 psi is equal to 1 divided by 14.7. So 29.843 psia is equal to 29.843 multiplied by 1 over 14.7 atm atmosphere. So which is equal to 29.843 divided by 14.7 is equal to 2.03 atm. So so absolute pressure is equal to 29.843 psia, which is equal to 2.03 atm. Now last part is in the problem is, would you modify your answer if the place were at a higher elevation? It means that if we put the if we place the pressure cooker at a higher elevation, so what will be the effect on the absolute pressure? So there will be no effect on the absolute pressure because the temperature is constant in the pressure cooker. Here the main point is, we know that at the higher elevation pressure decreases, so the volume point decreases. But here the case is different because we use pressure cooker and the pressure cooker temperature is constant. So there will be no change on the absolute pressure. So you can write the answer as at the elevation there will be no effect on the absolute pressure because the temperature is constant inside the pressure cooker. Which is 250 degree Fahrenheit. As temperature is constant, it means that pressure cannot be changed in the pressure cooker. This is the end of the problem, and for more problems please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.